Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and no matter what you were doing or who you were spending it with, I think it is the perfect excuse to get a little bit glam. Pinks and roses are such fun, pretty colours to play with, and V-Day is the perfect inspo for those kind of looks. For my Valentine's makeup, I went for a classic smoky eye with a pop of pink glitter on the inner corner. It's cute and pretty, but sultry as well, and this look was so fun to create, so if you want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. For most of this video, I'll be using the Tarte Tartlet in Bloom palette. So the first shade I took was Flower Child, which is a light nude pink, and I'm just running that all over the crease as a transition shade. Then I took Sweetheart and just deepened up that crease, and to make it more pink, I took Makeup Geek's Cupcake and applied that in the same place as Sweetheart. Then I went in with Rebel to deepen the outer corner and add a bit more warmth. To deepen that even further, I went in with Leader as well. And to blend all of that darkness out, I went back in with Cupcake. I'm not being too precise because, as you can see here, I'm just cleaning up the shadow with a wipe after I've finished applying it. For the lid, I'm going in with Makeup Geek Nostalgic, which is a bright silvery pink foiled shade. To blend that out, I just went back in with the brush with Cupcake on it. To start smoking out and darkening the lash line, I took Activist on a small pencil brush and then went in with a black gel liner on an angled brush and smudged that out, cleaning up again with a wipe. I quickly filled in my brows with the ABH brow powder and then chucked on some mascara and lashes. For my base, I used the L'Oreal True Match and the Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer, setting that down with the Laura Mercier powder, which I didn't get on camera because it stopped recording. But what I'm doing for my base is basically the same as my usual routine in all my videos. For my cheeks, I took the Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer and then a pretty pink Makeup Geek blush in Head Over Heels. I wanted a super blinding highlight, so I went into my Nicole Guerrero highlighter palette and Kitty Cat 2 stick with the pink theme. To finish off the eyes, I went back into the Tarte palette and took Smarty Pants, which is a soft brown, and then deepening that up with Leader and Activist. Finally, we are putting on some glitter, so I'm first putting down some powder to catch the fallout, and then applying the Lit Cosmetics glitter in Pretty in Pink with the Too Faced Glitter Glue. For the lips, I wanted a nudie pink, so I'm taking my favourite Rimmel lip liner in Natural, then the MAC lipstick in Faux, and finally the Marc Jacobs lip gloss in Sugar Sugar. And that is the finished look. I think this is so pretty and perfect for Valentine's Day. Even if you aren't heading out on a date, use Valentine's Day as an excuse to have some fun getting super glam. Thank you so much as always for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see some more from me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!